Gemma?
Who's in the swing? Is that your baby? That's not your baby anymore, huh? Is your baby? You're gonna smile.
Can you see Hallie?
What's that? What's that? Can you say hi? Yeah. Gemma, who's this? Look. Look. Do you see little baby feet? What's that? Is that your baby sister? Be gentle, okay?
Gentle.
Good girl. Gentle.
Gemma, can you give the baby a kiss?
Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow her a kiss?
Can you blow a kiss?
No. What is that, huh? Is that baby? Be gentle. See her feet? That's right, her little toes. Like Gemma's toes. Very good.
Daddy's toes.
Gemma. You say hi, baby? Good girl. And we're done. Is the phone for the baby? Come here. Say hello, it's for you. Oh, that's very nice. You hear the baby crying? Come here.
Big sister.
Gemma. Gemma, look. Who's that? You say baby? It's Daddy.
Can you give the baby a kiss?
You
Give the baby a kiss?
Hmm? Look. Gem. What's going on? Your big sister. Your big girl. We done?
Gemma? Gemma?
Gemma, look.
Can you give the baby a kiss? Like this?
Are you excited? And be gentle. Come here.
Can you give the baby a kiss?
Do you see the baby?
Can you give the baby a kiss?
Be gentle.
You see the baby? Nice.
Oh, very nice. You gotta be careful, okay? You sit still? You wanna hold the baby? You gotta sit very still, okay? Who's that? Oh, be gentle, okay? Careful. Okay. Good job.